This is just a general workflow kind of showing our process today. So I have a couple of demos here. I just wanted to show. The first is a demo showing doing a blast pattern design in Strayos. So we fly it with our DJI drones, and we upload the photos into Strayos. Strayos builds this 3D model for us of the area. In the process, the AI will identify what we call crest and toe lines. The crest are the orange lines, the toe are the yellow lines. Those just assist us in being able to design our blast pattern. And then we're able to pull in other reference points, like a polygon showing our an adjacent blast, a back line that we can serve as a reference line so we can kind of line everything up. I've got a blast pattern that we've already built in here. And the process is really quick, easy, simple. I mean, again, you got that picture there. And then we can use an AI tool in there to optimize our face burden. Again, to try to make sure we're getting the best blast results, but we're also doing it safely. And so these tools have really just been ground changing for us. This one is showing a area after it's been drilled. Again, we've got this 3D model here in Strayos, and we can load in our blast design into here, and then Strayos has what's called the hole caller AI tool that will go in and compare our design to our as drilled. Those different colors represent the level of deviation, which is really important for us, actually knowing where the actual holes were drilled. And then the other part of it here is pulling in our bore track data, which a bore track is a device we run down the holes, measures inclination or angle, and then the bearing or azimuth of those holes. So we know kind of where they're going. Then we can look at how much rock is out in front of those and in reality and say, okay, how much explosives are we going to load into here so that we can get the best results and do it safely.